Good evening. Welcome to Jim on this World Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 8th to the 20th. Models continue to indicate a broad cyclonic flow across much of the nation for December 8th to the 12th. The pattern is also expected to become less amplified during this period. The pattern will feature an eastern Pacific ridge, a trough across most of the nation. Now we're here looking at the NAM, and this holds on to the southeast ridge as we go in. See, this is on the 8th, and we'll go forward in time. And you can see we still have our ridge across southeast. Now another model that also does this is a nav gym. So we'll go to the nav gym. Let's see, I don't know what model this is. GFS. Okay, this is a nav gym. And we'll go ahead in time. And you can see here's our southeast ridge holding on with a broad trough in across much of the nation. So that's the two models that hold on. Now the GFS hold on to the ridge longer than the NAM. So we'll go to the GFS. This is GFS, and we'll see it. And it goes out. So we'll go backwards to see if you can see that. A little bit of a ridge here, weak ridging, and then it goes out by the end of the period. Temperatures will be very cold across the west central states, with the cold air mass gradually shifting eastward. Temperatures in the west will generally return towards normal later next week. Temperatures will be 10 to 30 degrees below normal in the west. The weather will become active in the east at the start of the period, and the lakes will experience lake effect snow due to the broad cyclonic flow. Okay, now for the period for December 11th to the 15th. The ensembles depict a moderately amplified flow for December 11th to the 15th, with the ridge over the Bering Sea. A trough is forecast over Alaska and a positive tilted trough across the central U.S. Weak positive height anomalies are forecast over the southeast. Now, the European deterministic split depicts a split flow across the nation with a trough in the southern stream across the southwest. We're going to look at that now. So here is the, let's see if we can get that, move it over a little bit. This is the ensembles. And you can still see it has the ridge here. We have a broad cyclonic flow across much of the nation. And then we'll see our split flow come across. And we'll see a beginning of a split flow across this area here. The ensembles have a broad trough over the central U.S. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for much of this area here, above normal temperatures for this area for precipitation. Forecasting above normal precipitation here, and across this area, below normal precipitation for this region. So now, for the period for December 16th to the 20th, models forecast a strong ridge over the Bering Sea, a trough over the Alaskan Panhandle, and a cyclonic flow across the nation for December 16th to the 20th. Now, the deterministic depicts a zonal flow across the nation. Negative height anomalies are forecast across the high latitudes of the GFS. Okay, wait a minute, I read that wrong. The GFS depicts a zonal flow across the nation, but overall, the high fields across the nation, negative height anomalies are forecast across the high latitudes from Canada to Greenland and the North Atlantic. Slightly above normal heights are forecast over the southeast U.S. So during this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region under the ridge, and for precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation here and along the east coast, and below normal precipitation for this area here. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for December 8th to the 20th. Thanks for coming, Jim, on this World of Weather, and have a good day.